Well, trading is closed on March 24th, 2025. Let's start with our disclaimer. This is my trading plan for tomorrow. Don't forget my calls can be wrong and trade at your own risk. I'm busy the next few days and might not make any trades, might not even be able to watch things. We looked for a rally and we certainly got that, one of my understatements, and we crossed the 56.7720 target off the list. During the day, MEJT said these moves are all false. They've already retraced. We've been saying we're not going to stay under this lower Bollinger Band on the weekly chart very long, and now we've gone over it. It is possible, this was our count, we think we're in a wave 3, and it is possible to count this as 5 waves up. It's not the only count. This could be 1, 2, and another 1, 2, but usually when you gap up like this and consolidate all day and break out late, I assume this is a 4th wave, unless proven otherwise. Assume that's wave 5, which doesn't have to be over. I am not shorting anything in this market environment, though. When a wave 3 starts, it can surprise you on the upside. For example, it's possible to interpret this as a cup with upsloping handle, and usually when that handle breaks, you're going to retrace the whole cup before you go up, and that did not work. So just be aware that when you're early in a 3rd wave, normally valid sell signals just don't always work. You get surprised on the upside. We do have resistance from this trend line. It doesn't have to hold. 200K moving average is also resistance here. Here's that average, and when you start this far, you start a rally this far under the average, the first time through it, it's just hard to break through. Doesn't mean it can't happen, but the good rallies start when the 200-day moving average isn't far away. That's pretty far away, so this might run into some trouble, even though I think we're going higher. One of the tricks I like to do in a wave 1 of some degree is look at the prior wave 1, see if there's a fib relationship, and if there is, like here, it's again a possibility we have a top here on a very short-term chart. This certainly isn't carved in stone, and as I say, just because you're at resistance, that doesn't mean resistance holds. And I'm not looking for short trades. I'm looking for places to go long. This is a fib grid. You start with this low and this high. You get a hit at 61.8. You get a hit right at today's high. So if you pull back some, it doesn't surprise me. But I mean, when you're early in a 3rd wave, if you're ever going to sit these things out, this is the time, because you're going much higher, I think. Tuesday's pattern has the early low regardless of where we open. Today's action is compatible with a wave count that says we're in a wave 3 of multiple degree higher. Doesn't require us to rally every day, but does argue in favor of looking for places to enter long positions and not look for shorts. I think the surprises will be on the upside and valid sell signals might not work. It's possible to call a top here on a very short-term basis for these reasons. Just remember, with almost no time to analyze tonight, I have to leave early tomorrow. I won't trade Wednesday. If you're going to risk your money on my call, keep that in mind. It's a pattern with the early low, and that's today's call.